Pagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Brian Lisa Mendoza sa atin po ang aking daily devotion ngayong araw, August 13, 2025. Ngayong araw po ating tutuloy ating series which is a seminary edition. Specifically, ang topic po natin for this day is about prophecy. Bakit ako Kristiyano? Now, ang ating talata po ay magagaling sa Isaiah chapter 46 verse 9 and 10. Sabi ko rito, remember the former things, those of long ago. I am God, and there is no other. I am God, and there is none like me. I make known the end from the beginning, from ancient times what is still to come. I say, my purpose will stand, and I will do all that I please. Now, upang ating mas maunawaan kung ano ibig sabihin ng talatang ito, at upang mas maintindihan natin ang ating devotion, ngayon po tayo pagdadako sa ating teaching for today. So, yung Bible po, hindi lamang po siya isang basta-bastang libro na may lamang mga istorya. Kasi, ang Bible po, it's proven true by the fact that the things it predicted is talagang nangyari. And marami pong propesya na nakasulat hundreds of years before the events, and yet they came to pass exactly as sa kung ano yung sinabi ng Diyos. And if you really look closely, makikita mo na yung mga prophecies, pinapoint nila si Jesus Christ, and from beginning to end, siya po yung kumbaga siya yung main character ng story na sinasabi ng Diyos. And meaning po, the future isn't just yung future natin is hindi natin siya inuhulaan, kasi makikita natin sa Biblia kung ano talaga yung mangyayari sa future, and it is already written down in the Bible. So pinakita po sa atin ng Diyos kung ano yung mangyayari sa dulo, kung ano yung mangyayari sa ending, and He is in control of every chapter na nasa Bible. So ngayon po tayo padadako sa ating application. So ano nga ba yung dapat natin gawin, or ano nga ba yung dapat natin i-apply sa ating mga buhay? So dahil nga po yung Bible is proven, it has been proven true again and again, talagang we can stand firm on the Bible, yung walang takot, na walang pagdududa. So kapag inaral po natin yung scripture, yung main goal natin shouldn't just be to collect information. Dapat yung main goal natin is talagang mas makilala pa natin si Jesus Christ, and because siya po yung nasa center ng lahat, and since yung future natin is already secure, it is already secure in Him, we have something na masishare sa ibang tao. So ipakalat natin, we can tell people about the hope na meron tayo ngayon, and the hope that we have for what's coming, dahil alam natin na guaranteed, it is all guaranteed by the one who always keeps His promises. Anyway, marami po tayong natutunan sa araw na ito.